Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. Now in this video, we will be talking about a company where Akash Prakash's Amansa Holdings, GS Asset Management and HDFC Standard Life Insurance Company have bought a huge chunk of shares. Now Reliance Capital Mutual Fund was also a buyer, and if you were to look at the sellers, KKR Mauritius and Zend Mauritius VC have sold a huge chunk respectively. Now all these transactions happened around the 166 rupees mark and the price is already up a bit. Now friends, another important announcement with respect to our channel. We had uploaded a video in Hindi and this was based on a lot of requests that we get to also upload videos in Hindi. So going forward, there would also be some Hindi language content on our channel. And for that, the format that we are thinking is we could have alternate videos in Hindi and English. Please let us know your thoughts on the same in the comment section below. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is Magma Fincorp Limited, which is available at rupees 173.30 and the face value for this stock is 2. The symbol for this company is MAGMA. Now Magma Fincorp Limited is an NBFC, and if you were to look at the 1 year chart, after a huge spike towards the start of the year, the company has largely been consolidating. The market cap of the company is 4,666.74 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 9.73, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 18.33, which is much below the industry PE of 39.44. The book value is 95.4032, again which translates into a decent price to book ratio of 1.8165. The debt to equity is 3.7501, whereas the return on equity for this company is 0.1026. The company has a dividend yield of 0.46, whereas the promoter holding is a bit on the lower side at 27.74. Now friends, please don't just jump in, because even though some strong names have come in, companies like KKR, which is a very well-known investor, has sold out. So please do your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor prior to acting on any of the information that you ever see on this channel. Now friends, if you are benefited by the content of this channel, please don't forget to share this video. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.